I've met a lot of digital marketers and advertisers that have to use Google Analytics for about 90% of their jobs, right? The biggest problem or concern that I keep getting from them is, how do I fetch that data automatically? How complex are these formulas or queries that I have to build? And how can I then connect that data inside my spreadsheet report so that my spreadsheet report is automatically updated? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes without writing one single query to fetch the Google Analytics data, so that in the end you can have a spreadsheet, an actual live spreadsheet view of your Google Analytics information, and then you can start building tabs that reference those spreadsheets, right? You have formulas within those tabs that talk to those spreadsheets. So to get started, let's assume that I built a landing page and I want to grab Google Analytics information from that landing page. In this case, I would simply go to plus right here, add my Google Analytics tab, and these are a catalog of all the sources of information that Factivate has. Since I've already done so, it's right here. I labeled it landing 2. I've authorized my account by clicking here. It asks me for my Google information, and all I have to do is start thinking of the KPIs I want to track. So I know I want information on users. Maybe I want information on new users, right? What about bounces or my bounce rate? All I'm doing, as you're seeing, is I'm typing and then I'm adding the column. If I want ad related information, I do the same. If I want click-through rate related information, it's so simple. You search, you click, you add, the column is added, and once you're done, all you have to do is click on the little globe, and this will enable the connection to start happening. So at this point, Factivate is connecting with Google Analytics, and it'll start fetching the data in real time. This could take a couple minutes because I have a lot of Google Analytics information. So in the meantime, I'm going to go in and start referencing this tab with my formulas, right? So I have a sum formula that is referencing my landing sheet 2, and I want information from new users. Let me just make sure my formula is okay, and once I'm done, I enter. This is my real live information from Google Analytics, and I wanted to do the same for returning visitors. I sum, and then I find the sheet that I'm trying to get the information from, and in this case I'm just going to use a formula that subtract users from new users. I know it's not the right formula, just use it as an example, right? And now I have my real live information. I could build a total, whatever. Let's do something a little more complex. So I want to track bounce rates, but I want to filter them by new visitors versus returning visitors. So I have bounces here. The way that I filter is, remember I had added a column called user type. So it's telling you from user type fetch every single place that it says new visitor, and there's 1,909 bounces from new visitors, right? Same thing if I want to do from returning visitors. So I'm typing in my references. I want bounces, and I'm gonna filter it by column user type. Based on returning visitor. Close my formula, and I'm done. That's how simple it is, and it becomes even more and more powerful as you start adding more and more connectors, right? So this can be a really nice report for someone tracking maybe 20 web pages with the KPIs that they want to track. Maybe they want to compare it to Stripe revenue. Maybe they want to compare it to Facebook revenue. It's that simple. So to show you that the information is saved, I'm just refreshing the page really, really quickly. Right. And here you go. You can build graphs from your information however you want. You can share those graphs, you can share this sheet, whatever. Ultimately, what you want to do is you're going to start showing how this data begins auto-populating every couple of minutes, and how your spreadsheet talks to that information. So that's it, guys. It really is that simple. It's a few clicks. You then have a dashboard view or a summary view of whatever you want. And you no longer have to write any more queries or spend time building reports. Thank you so much.